Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use iPhone mirroring on Mac with macOS, Sequoia and iOS 18. Let's have a look. First, open Finder on your macOS. Then click Applications. Here you will see iPhone mirroring. Double click to open iPhone mirroring. Click Continue to proceed. Unlock your iPhone. Your iPhone will be fully accessible from this Mac when connected. You will need to unlock your iPhone using your iPhone passcode. Enter the passcode on your iPhone. Allow notifications from iPhone. Click Allow. iPhone mirroring is ready to use. Click Get Started. You will need to enter your Mac password to connect iPhone mirroring initially. Enter your login password. Lock your iPhone to connect. iPhone mirroring will connect when iPhone is no longer in use. Click Ask every time. Now your iPhone is ready to use from your Mac. When iPhone mirroring is in use, your iPhone show a message saying iPhone in use. Once your iPhone's display appears on your Mac, you can interact with your iPhone apps right on your Mac, even when your iPhone is in another room. You can drag and drop files with your iPhone mirroring. To open App Switcher, hover above the upper edge of the iPhone mirroring app to bring the window controls. Click the icon next to the grid icon. To close iPhone mirroring, you can click cross sign. So these are the steps to use iPhone mirroring on Mac with macOS, Sequoia and iOS 18. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.